Hi, I'm Makenzie Holland. I'm a reporter at TechTarget. Today, I'll be speaking with Claus Jensen, Chief Digital Officer and Chief Technology Officer at Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center. Claus will be speaking during the upcoming MIT Sloan CIO Symposium Digital Edition on April 21st. To read the full interview with Claus Jensen, click the link above or in the description below. During the pandemic, CIOs and their companies had to make many changes to adapt to this new normal. Many changes. So which of these changes do you believe will outlast the pandemic and why?
All of them.
All of them. And why is that?
But I don't necessarily use the word new normal internally. Use something very close. I talk about the next normal. There's a subtle but important difference. Because the new normal implies that we'll get to a point and that is now the new normal. If you use the word next normal, you're signaling that there's always a next. And I think we're in a period of time where for a very long number of years, we'll be in a next normal, but every year will be the next normal. Because you're on this learning journey and trying to figure out what does healthcare actually now need to look like. So how do you get attuned to, because that's really what it is, more than necessarily specific learning. How do you get attuned to the next normal? You got to put out your feelers, your sensors, and actually become consumer-centric in a way that perhaps healthcare hasn't quite internalized. We tended to think that consumer-centric means it's all about taking as well as possible care of people that have disease. That's not wrong, and we still need to do that because that's the core of what the healthcare industry does, but it's just not sufficient anymore. We have to start trying to figure out what are the other needs that are unmet in current state and what might you possibly do about it. So that attunement to the needs around us, and in many cases, the unmet needs needs to get translated to the right set of talent, clinical talent, research talent, education talent, and technology talent, so we can build these hybrid solutions. I believe the future is the fusion of physical and digital, the fusion of individual and population. It's really all about building the right platform to take care of the needs of the whole human. So if you want to give me a different title than Chief Digital and Technology Officer, on a good day, you might label me Chief Storyteller. That's how you can fulfill your mission and translate the attuning to what's needed to actually turning that vision into